Hey, what's up guys? So got a package in the mail today, straight from Japan. These are my seat covers for the Aristo. I'm gonna bring it inside so it doesn't get dirty once I unpackage all this bubble wrap. What I'm gonna do now is I got the front seat covers out here. I'm gonna use the purple power detailing brush and then a microfiber towel and just kind of give it a nice little once over. All clean. Let's see if we can get started installing them, and then I probably won't get finished today, so I'll continue it tomorrow. I don't even know how. I'm guessing this is front something, but we'll translate it and see if I can get maybe the headrest installed at least. Just got finished with the passenger side headrest. It is around 3:45. I want to say I started about 15 minutes ago, so I want to see how long this actually takes to do the whole car. So finish with the headrests. I'm going to start with the seat bottoms. I think you just need to get it lined in place and then push these covers back. We'll see. Let me drop the camera down and then I can use two hands. I think I got it. I was able to just kind of line it up with the actual seat and pull it, push that tab back down here, and then just pulled it from the back. And now I'm just gonna tuck this into this little plastic piece right here. And right here, I don't know where you can tuck it into because it's super tight right there. There's like zero space for me, like zero space right here for this to go inside. Tucked this inside here. And then now I'm gonna put on this back cover. So the back seat covers are on. This is the actual finished product. They actually went on a bit easier than I thought it would be. Just kind of slid on there, but it was a tight fit to put on the Velcro. And yeah, I don't know what I'm going to do with these bottom seat covers because I'm pretty sure they're not supposed to come out like that. Yeah, I don't know. Looking good. Got the passenger side and then the back. That's probably going to be a pain. I get started on the passenger side. All this, the center console. All I had to do was, this thing was right here. Took off most of those small little screws. I guess it was this way. Yeah. The small little screws and then took out these 4 little gold screws right here, and I took off the whole center console plate, and I just put the cover on there and then put it around this little plastic thing right here, and then I can put that plastic piece on top of it, and it should hopefully sit it in place. These bottom seats, I think that's just holding bike clips. So you get some leverage. Pull it right here. There we go. Hooks at the bottom right here. You just want to slide them out. There we go. Then they're out. So I'm in the process of putting on the seat covers in the back. So what you need to do is take off these seat belt holder bracket things. It's just 2 Phillips screws, and then there's a 12mm bolt that goes right here. I'm just going to do it on this side as well. Okay, once you're done with that, you need to grab your 12mm socket and then go for this bolt right here. Remove this little rear armrest. It was just 2 10mm bolts behind the chair. So it's the next day, pretty much finished. Got a little bit too dark to finish up yesterday, like screwing up all the seatbelt holders and stuff like that. But yeah, I just need to put this one on there and then put in the back seat, as you can see, and then we should be done.
I'm having chest pain!
Well, that's no good. Looks like I'm gonna have to take it all apart again because the seatbelt, the middle seatbelt, is underneath the seat cover. So, well, at least now I know how to do it. They are finally installed. Looks nice with the blackwood trim. Next up, so I've been soaking these for, I want to say, like 2 weeks. You can see how damaged they are from just like going at it with the hammer and screwdriver. But yeah, same thing every time I try and spin it or unlock it, the whole column spins with it. So I'm hitting it with a rubber mallet, trying to spray it with PD Blaster, and nothing seems to be working. I think might be time for some new coilovers. Next up, correct the paint and ceramic coat it for the summer. So until then, see you guys later.